Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn about the computer's performance and the different storage devices, secondary storage devices. First is computer's performance. There are three main factors that affect computer's performance. First is CPU speed, second is memory size, and the third is number of applications. CPU speed. The CPU contains a tiny quartz clock. Each time the disk clock ticks, one's instruction can be dealt with the CPU. So more times the clock ticks, that is more instruction the CPU can carry out firstly at a first pace. Next is speed of CPU is measured in either megahertz or gigahertz. Thus, one way to improve computer performance is to upgrade the CPU to a faster one if we have a fairly slow machine. Memory size. Next is memory size. To improve computer performance, if we have a small amount of RAM such as 512 MB or 1 GB, we can add extra RAM chips to improve the computer's performance. Third point is number of application. The more applications, files and documents we have opened, RAM will fill up. So another way of improving the performance of a computer is to limit the amount of application we are running at any one time and the amount of files or documents that we have opened. Next topic is storage devices of the secondary devices. Secondary storage devices are used to store large amount of data permanently. Some common storage devices are hard disks, floppy disks, CD-ROMs and DVDs. Hard disks and floppy disks falls under the category of your magnetic disks, and CD-ROMs and DVD will fall under your category of optical disks. Floppy disks. It is also known as diskette. It is made up of a thin and flexible magnetic storage medium sealed in a rectangular plastic enclosure lined with fabric that removes dust particles. It is one of the most oldest type of portable storage device which could store up to 1.44 MB of data. Floppy was of different size like 3.3.5 inch, 5.5 inch, etc. Next is hard disk. Hard disk memory stores information on one or more circular platters or disks which are continually spinning. These rotating disks are coated with a magnetic material and are stacked with space between them. Information is recorded on the surface of rotating disks by magnetic heads as tiny magnetic spots. This is the image of your hard disk. Next is CD. Also known as compact discs are optical media. CDs are relatively cheap and have a storage capacity up to 700 MB. It is mainly used to record, store and playback audio, video and other data in digital form. CD are of different forms like CD-ROM, CD recordable, CD rewritable. Next is DVD, also known as digital versatile disc. It is also another type of optical storage that looks like CD but can hold 15 times more information and transfer it to computer. It is 20 times as faster than CD-ROM, also known as super density disks, which can hold up to 17 GB of data. Different forms of DVD are DVD-ROM, DVD recordable, DVD rewritable. Now let us come to the differences between DVD and CD. Although CD and DVD are almost similar in composition and uses, but they mainly differ in the storage capacity. A standard CD can store up to 700 MB of data, but a standard DVD can hold 4.7 GB of data. So DVD is most widely used to store large file like videos and movies. In the next class, we are going to discuss the other storage devices like Blu-ray discs, pen drives, flash drives, etc. Thank you.